Hey everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to your JavaScript tutorial. So in this video, we're going to talk about taking user input in JS using a window prompt and how we're going to do that. So yeah, so let's not delay any much and okay, so before that, you need to create a index.html file to run it on live server on your browser where you can see how in a window prompt I'm taking a user input and performing the operation. To do that, you have to remember, you have to keep a note on this particular tag. So what this particular tag does, it takes an input as my JavaScript file. So what I'm going to pass it to over here is taking user input, right? .js. So now and then these bunch of code is required because this particular line of code will not work without head, right? And body. And to have this, what you're going to do, you're just going to press this particular special character and press enter, and this will generate the body for you. And when it is ready for you, yeah, so now you have the script type, text type is JavaScript of that particular, and the source is taking user input .js. Now let's not delay any much and let's run it on live server. So I'm gonna right click on it and I'll say, hey, give me this on my live server. And then when it is on live server, you go to inspect, go to console, and it is failing to load the resource because we don't have anything over there. Now let's start writing the code. So to write the code, I'll say, hey, give me a window prompt. And in this window prompt, either you can have a message or you cannot have a message. So I would say what is your channel name? Channel name. Okay, and then as an answer, you can enter your channel name over there, document, then you'll use document write. You'll say my channel name is, you can take that as an user input. So the user input, yeah. So this is gonna be so over here you'll pass your data, and now let's try to run it. So once you reload this page, so it is saying, what is your channel name? I'll say Tech Creative, and my channel name is Tech Creative. So yeah, this is how you can take the user input from like in JavaScript. See, this is pretty neat, right? So once you've written the code and now it is showing on your browser and it is prompting a window for you to ask this, what is the data you want to have, so that the user can enter the data and then you can write about it. And you can take a few more data for that case. So I'll say data one window.prompt. I'll say what is your about? Seems legit, right? Next question user can have like this. I'll say one more document .write. And my channel is all about. So it could be about travel journeys, could be about science and tech. So I'll say tech, right? Yeah, so that seems pretty simple. And so tech, I will be passing. See, I am writing tech as an user input over there, but I need to put data one because I'll take this as an user input. Now let's run it. I've saved it. Once you saved it, refresh it. I'll say, hey, my channel name is Tech Creative. It will ask, what is your channel all about? I'll say it is about anything. It is about quick hacks. So see, my channel name is Tech Creative and my channel is all about quick hacks, right? So this is how you can take user input. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this particular lecture. So, and I guess in a few other lectures, I'll prepare a kind of a small application. I'm thinking of using JavaScript to show you and run it using this index.html so that you can see on your web browser. And yeah, so just practice it and let me know what else you want to run on JavaScript or AWS or whatever series, whatever thing I've been teaching, or like API or Cypress or UI path. If anything you want to learn, you can just comment down over there. And if any improvement you want to do, or you want to get me into it, you can mention the improvement part or feedback part as well in the comment section. And yeah, please practice it. And yeah, and one more thing, like, yeah, create this index.html and then have this line of code, and you can pass any .js file over here. So if you see, yesterday we have discussed about reverse string, so you can have reverse string.js over here, and once you save it and you refresh it, it will all do the reverse string thing. The last console message was what was like reverse string using built-in methods, right? So this is what we have seen yesterday on the last lecture, and this is what it was it is printing over here. We have seen the bubble sort as well. You can have bubble sort.js and you can just save it. And once you refresh that on your browser, you will see the sorted array, right? And the sorted array, if you want to check out, we have taken this array as an input, right? 129, 65, something, and that has been printed out. So yeah, that's about it. And in the next lecture, we're going to discuss something else. Till that time, thank you so much.